Okay, welcome everybody to room 138. This is Mr. Burgess. Today we're talking about Cornell Notes. So, what's the big deal with Cornell Notes? Number one, it's just a really good way to organize your notes and to be organized as a student. That's one of the main reasons why I would recommend Cornell Notes. All right, so Cornell Notes. It is proven that it is not only more efficient, but it also makes it a lot easier to review notes. For example, when preparing for an exam, um, they're going to help you get ready for your tests. So you want to take really good Cornell notes because they're going to help you in the future. The point of taking your notes is so that you can refer back to them. Cornell note taking, it is a system for taking, organizing, and reviewing your notes. One of the main features of Cornell Notes is to go back and review, to be organized, to take notes that you can use for studying for your exam. The system itself encourages students to reflect on their notes by summarizing them briefly in their own words. So at the end, you want to make sure you always have a summary. It's going to be very important. All right, so here's a really good example of Cornell Notes. You can see up in the top, there's a title section. There's a place for your name, the date. You want to make sure you have all of these elements in your Cornell Notes. To the left, you want to have questions. You want to have keywords, key terms. Questions like, why is it important to be organized? Just really good questions about the subject. All right, in the main area, the note-taking column, you should have your notes. Doesn't always have to be notes. It can be pictures. It can be words. It can be graphs and charts. Just be creative and do a really good job with your notes. If you're taking notes on paper, you may want to use different colors. That always makes for really good Cornell notes. At the bottom, you always want to have a really good summary where you summarize and reflect on everything that you learn as you are taking your notes. All right, so here's another good example. Someone is showing how to take notes. Just make it creative, make it fun. Like I said, it doesn't have to just be notes. It can be pictures. You can draw. If you're an artsy person and you're good at art, then draw some pictures. Main points, key terms, be creative. Leave space. You can add things later. Important headings, write down necessary info, keep it brief. Create a legend, draw symbols in margins. Important people, state historical significant, short but sweet. Get creative, make it your own. Okay, so just all different types of examples. And like I said, just be creative with this. Take really good notes. Keywords, important dates, people, places, info from textbook stories. If we're watching something on the internet, you can take notes from that. Something that you can always refer back to, Cornell Notes. Please do a good job, and I cannot wait to see how good you do with your notes. Thank you.